life on Earth was said to have begun 3.5 billion years ago, and humans were thought to only have existed for 6 or 7 million years. We have always lived with our own traditions and cultures, staying in equilibrium, living in time with the Earth. But then, all of a sudden, the world started becoming smaller. Not literally, of course, but technology made miles seem like inches and hours seem like seconds. No more do we coexist with Mother Nature and all her children, we own them. Modern life is not anything we could have imagined. Sea levels are rising past the extreme levels. Animal populations are disappearing at rates unimaginable to me. The rivers, the beds, have become toilets that do not flush. Climate change is rapidly increasing due to bad decisions about our energy plans. The very nature of our planet, the one and only Earth, is now changing. It is predicted that by 2050, urban air pollution is said to become the top environmental cause of mortality worldwide. The number of premature deaths from exposure to particulate matters is projected to triple from just over 1 million today. More than 40% of the world's ozone is linked to premature deaths, and they are expected to be in China and India by 2050. Already, the human impact on our environment are starting to show. Glaciers are melting, lands are corroding, and atmosphere is in a dangerous state. Our future is rapidly rushing up to meet us. Oceans. The oceans are the Earth's final frontier, but we may be forced to take the plunge. In the future, humans may need to adapt to a life underwater. There would be many dangers. Scalding volcanic fluids and crushing pressures can kill the unwary. In some ways, it's easier to live in space than underwater. We know more about the moon than the dark depths of our own planet. We may soon live as science fiction writers have long imagined. With a host of problems threatening the Earth's surface, is underwater living a viable alternative? Scientists have believed that permanently submerged colonies are imminent. This is a hypothetical challenge of housing 100 families below the ocean's surface and race to overcome obstacles such as bone-crushing pressures, ravaging storms, and scalding volcanic fluids.